Good morning, one and all present here, and thank you so much for the introduction. And first of all, before my speech, I want to congratulate the event organizer Omega to conducting such an event across Tamil Nadu, wherein they are giving this benefit to the students to explore their career options and what all the courses are available in the market. Definitely, we understand there is a power of Google, but in case still that physical information is still important when you are choosing your career. So that is what Omega is doing it. So we really thank Omega to doing it. And for the institution side also, whatever the courses, the new age courses according to the industry related programs are coming, they are bringing to each and everyone's notice across Tamil Nadu. Now, just to start up, I will just tell the students few things. There are two major factors what every student has to look into. Is first is decision making. Why? Because it is required. If you decide as early as possible about your career options for the future, it will be beneficial for you to choose the right path, to choose the right courses. If, for example, a student says, I want to become a software developer. So what all courses are there? So what we have to do, initially we have to decide what is your end goal and then start choosing the courses. It will be difficult for the students to decide at very early age, it like after +2, that okay, which course you have to go for. But if you decide it right now, it will be very good for you to choose which course. Now computer software engineer is required. So what courses you have to do? Either you have to do a BTech in computer science, or you have to do a BCA course, which will be in the relevant field, which can go to your computer science background, and you can become a software engineer or software developer, whatever it is. But what is happening, if you decide it right away, right now, then your path will be very clear. Which way you are going, what courses you are choosing, what UG programs you have to do, what PG programs you have to do. Now, this decision, whatever you are taking it, now this decision has to be taken by yourself. There should be no friends, no relatives, no family. You can take suggestions, but end of the day, you should talk to yourself. Like what exactly you are looking for. What is your particular domain into? Here is what counseling comes into picture. What happens now, one student want to do something in computer science, but now the education sector and the industry requirement has such a vast acceptability in the market. So now in computer science also there are multiple specializations like data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So what this our counselor and the counselors who are sitting on the stalls will do, they will call you, they will explain you which software you are looking for. Either you are looking for a artificial intelligence, either you are looking for a machine learning. So there are also variety of courses which is available. So right now the most first important thing is like you should decide what your future should be. Now you have a power of Google. Wherever you go, you can Google it up, you will get all the details from starting from the naukri.com, starting whatever job options are available, what you are good into. So if you decide it now, then the path will be very much clear for you people. Second, most important thing is hard work. Now, many students will come and tell, you don't do arts and humanities program, you don't do this program, this doesn't have a future. Believe me, each and every stream has a future. Wherever, if you are passionate about one particular domain or one particular stream, everywhere there is a future for it. So you don't have to worry about what the future will be. You have to just decide which course you have to go for, and you have to keep on putting your hard effort into it. Definitely you will reach a level which will be definitely beneficial for the student. It doesn't mean this, that's what in the first phase also I told you, the decision of the course should be yours, because every individual is a unique person. They have their unique capacity. Now you will not be same, like okay, end goal, I have to make more money. Okay, that is the second thing, but how? What is this? What the course is? Now I am not interested to do a CA program. I'm not good into accountancy. But if I choose CA program, definitely I will not land up with a proper job, and then it will be becoming a problem for us. So whatever it is, decide the course before, as early as possible, so that the path should be clear. And second, the most important thing is hard work. There is no shortcut for hard work. If you are putting your heart and energy, any stream you will be the best. And there is no stream in the entire globe which doesn't have jobs, which doesn't have the acceptability. Every field has acceptability. Everywhere there is an Excel person who will be available. So now coming to Jain deemed to be university, we are our main approach towards education is in a holistic way, wherein apart than academics, we make the students or the students ready for the society, for their family, for their city, for their state and the country. So what happens, we have diversified type of programs. We have all commerce, management, science, humanities, and allied sciences programs. So there are multiple courses which we have. So what happens here also when it comes to commerce? So as I told you in the previous domain also, in commerce also there are multiple extremes. So we have something called professional, something called honors, something called BBA regular, BCom regular. So what happens here in professional courses, what will be the benefit for you people is like CA, chartered accountancy and company secretaryship will be attached. So while doing your BCom, you can do to your 2 level till articleship you can reach along with your BCom studies. This is beneficial for the student. Why? Because in case they start their career with a CA and CS, as we understand the CA percentage, pass percentage is in 0 point something percentage who finally become the CA. So what happens here, the other students who doesn't clear the CA, at least they have a degree with them called BCom. So these are the parallel courses, so that at least you have a regular degree, so that you can take your career forward from there itself. Same way with CS, we have in honors, we have multiple global bodies, like parallel to chartered accountancy and company secretaryship. We have something called ACCA, CIMA. These are all UK certification, which is CA, UK, CA, and these type of programs. So there are multiple options. If you can go to our desk, I think people will explain you in a better way, because multiple courses like logistic and supply chain, which is booming with commerce studies. And when we come to management, we have 2 programs in management, that is BBA, that is Bachelor of Business Administration, and Bachelor of Management Studies, which is called BMS. So there also we have specializations like sports management, which is very new. Now all the sports events like this football is happening, IPL is happening, they need managers. And industry, believe me, the industry has changed in such a way, they want the people from the particular domain itself. They don't want to get the person, again a BBA student, and train them for sports management. They want the people who are from that particular department, and then they will take it to the next level. Directly they want people from that domain itself. Now coming to sciences, we have life sciences, we have physical sciences with renewable energy program. And coming to life sciences side, we have something called forensic science, which was we started in 2009, which was what we first started with. So it all deals with the investigation other part. Initially it was the biotechnology students and physics students, chemistry student was taken for forensic science, but as of now they want a particular domain people. So same wise, there are many things to explore. You can go to our website also, you can check there. Now coming to computer science, as I told you before, there are artificial intelligence, machine learning. So you have to decide, okay, we have to go for a computer science program. Now what the counseling team will do, they will tell you which domain actually you are looking for, what you are good into. So you tell, okay, I'm very good into talking, I'm very public speaking is my main concern, then definitely you can go for a management courses. Why? Because marketing is required there, entrepreneurship, definitely many things will be there which will be relevant to your which domain you people like. Same way we have allied sciences programs. So these are all the domains what we have. And again at the last I will just tell students that whatever, please decide your career right away, which will be good. Definitely there will be here and there fluctuations, but you decide your career and nothing can overcome your hard work. That is what my thing is. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Omega Events also for doing this.